Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial I will show you how you can turn on scam messages or alert messages on Messenger. It's super easy. Go to Messenger and go to main menu and click on settings on the top, and you will see over here privacy and safety. Click on that, and then you will see in security you will see scam detection. Click on that. In this option you will get scam messages and it will be alerts to you, like Messenger send you a notification that this chat is using a scam or uh, like that. Some options over here on the Messenger you have to do is click on that scam detection on in chats. So whenever you get any scam on Messenger, they will alert you that this person is scam on you, like scamming on you. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel, and also don't use or turn this off and you will facing some scams on the Messenger like that. So don't turn this on, and see you in the next video. Have a nice day.